actually a competitive COD player for his work. We're just out here to show these kids that there's a step up from where they're at now.
Shaping them up for scholarships, even a path to pros. I've partnered with San Diego State University and University of San Diego and their advisory board to set up these events, help kids achieve their dreams in esports. I think it's the first ever in history facility made for esports in a high school, which is really cool. I'm here to support Sam, the guy who's running it, and Dane, the owner of it. It's amazing. It's really cool to see.
Well, this is Dane here from the Redination and NFU Media. We're excited here to be joined by Cece.
I am the Assets Coordinator of the After School Before programs, and this is our event for today. Our C-Cars, drones, and our fabulous FIFA and Smash Brothers tournament. Kids are having a great time.
Let you guys know out there for you guys, El Cajon Valley High School, home of Abraham and Hazy. I'll give him a little bit of love right there because Abraham's out there. It's about esports education and programs, about electronics, economics, the environment, and also equality, and making sure that everybody has an opportunity for a voice. And we'd like to thank Benji and also our game trucks, again, Drones and Chris Davis out there. And again, Cece for letting us be here at their place.
This was a Mr. Ford event. Brent Ford, great shout out, great job today. Very much appreciated.
Well, we can't wait. We can't wait for the next one.
It was great working with all of you guys.
You as well.